We have to find values of x and y. We have given two triangles. In the first triangle we have this red arc. It means that these three angles are congruent angles. It means that we have here equiangular triangle. If triangle is equiangular, then it is equilateral. So it means that every side is congruent. So if this side is 20, it means that this is 22 and that 2. What else we have? In next triangle, we have sides 20 and 20. It means we have here isosceles triangle. If two sides are congruent, it means that these two angles are congruent too. So we have that, let's put that this angle is 1. So angle 1 is congruent, measure of angle 1 of course is equal to 30 degrees. Because we have here equiangular triangles, so the measure of interior angles are 60 degrees. So this angle has 60 degrees and this and that. So now if we find that measure of angle 1 is 30 degrees and this angle has 60 degrees, so this whole angle x will be equal, degrees is measure of angle 1 plus 60 degrees. So x degrees is equal, measure of angle 1 is 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. So we have that this angle has 90 degrees. So we have here right angle. And if we have right angle, it means that we have right triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. And we know that sum of square of legs, this is one leg, this is second leg, and this is hypotenuse. So sum of squares, these two legs, so we have 4y to second power plus 20 to second power is equal square of hypotenuse. So this is 20 plus 20 to second power. So we have that 4y to second power, so this is 16y to second power is equal, and I will move this 20 to second power to the right. So we have 20 and 20, so this is 40 to second power minus 20 to second power. So we have that 16y squared is equal 40 to second power is 1600 minus 20 to second power is 400. So we have that 16y squared is equal, this 1200. So now we have to divide both sides by 16. So we have y squared is equal 1 divided by 16. This is 75. So y is equal plus minus square root of 75. So this is equal approximately plus minus 8.7. And because y is the side of our triangles, so cannot be negative, so we have to choose only positive answer. Y is equal 8.7. So we have y and x is equal 90. So this is my solution.